Here is a list of candidates with their final marks in percentage in 4 different semester exams. Let us use these details to plot a heat map. Select all the values in the X and Y axis columns and click on the drop-down and either select Heat Map or Heat Map with labels. In this dialog box, select the data layout either to Y across columns or X across columns. In the column label, select the long name, units, or comments accordingly. Once all the properties are set, click OK. Adjustments can be made to this heat map. To change the arrangement of the candidates from candidate A to candidate H, instead from candidate H to candidate A, make a double left click on the name and select Scale. Now, click on Reverse and apply. To remove the ticks from the X-axis, click on Line and Ticks and change the style of the major and minor ticks to none. Now, click Apply and OK. To change the scale and color, make a double left click on the heat map. Select Color Map. To change the scaling, change the values in the From and To, and then click OK. To change the color, click on the Fill, Load Palette, and assign the color of your choice in the drop-down. Limited mixing option allows to select a couple of colors. Select the color from the drop-down in both From and the To option and click OK. Selecting the Apply option changes the color in the heat map. To represent the color of the higher marks in green and the lower marks with red, click on Fill and click on the two-way arrow and select OK. Now the color has been changed with green on higher score and red on the lower score. The font size of the labels can be changed according to your choice. To change the properties in the calibration bar, make a double left click on it. The Layout option allows the calibration bar to be organized either horizontally or vertically. Click on the Labels option to change the font style and the size. To change the title, make a double left click on the title and it can be changed. To export the graph in a format of your choice, click on File, Export Graph, and it can be saved. To plot a 3D color pie chart, select the values in the X and Y axis column. Select Plot from the toolbar above and click 3D color pie chart. Modifications can be made to this pie chart. To remove the axis line, select the line and make a right click. Now click Hide Axis. Similarly, the other lines can be removed in this way. The font size of the values and labels in the X and Y axis can also be modified. Make a right click on the 3D pie chart and select Plot Details. This option will enable to change the color and width of the border. Now click Apply and OK. To change the color of the 3D pie chart, make a right click on it. Select Plot Details, Pattern, and change the fill color. Assigning a single color to the pie chart can be performed by clicking the option Single under Pattern and select the color of your choice. To revert to a multicolor option, select By Points under Pattern, assign the color, and from the drop-down, select Color Mapping, column B, and apply the changes assigned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comments section below.